She laughed in Judge Judy's courtroom like she owned it. 5 minutes later, she'd lost her house. Karen Mitchell walked in smirking, dressed like she was chairing a board meeting, not standing trial. She'd spent 8 years ruling Willow Creek Estates like a queen, finding neighbors for bird feeders, chalk drawings, pumpkins left out a day too long. Today, she was suing a woman named Lillian Cortez over sunflowers that were, in Karen's words, too tall. Subscribe now because in the next 5 minutes, this woman goes from laughing at a judge to losing everything she owns. "Good morning, Your Honor," Karen said, smirking. "I hope we can move quickly. I have an HOA meeting after this." Judge Judy didn't blink. "We'll take as long as it takes. Why don't you tell me why we're here?" Karen straightened her papers like she was giving a keynote. "This is about accountability, Judge. The defendant violated our landscaping code repeatedly and refuses to pay her fines." Judy turned to Lillian. "How long has this been going on?" "Almost 3 years," Lillian said quietly. "I've paid over $8,000 in fines. Every time I fixed one thing, she found another." Karen muttered just loud enough for the mic to catch it. Some people just don't like rules. Judy heard it. "Mrs. Mitchell, you may want to choose your words carefully." Karen laughed, actually laughed, out loud, in the courtroom. That laugh was the last mistake she got to make for free. "Relax, Your Honor," Karen said, waving a hand. "I know how the law works. I've read the entire property code front to back, twice. HOA law is a little more specialized in small claims." The gallery gasped. Judy's eyes didn't move. "Mrs. Mitchell, are you suggesting I'm not qualified to interpret the law?" "I'm saying most judges don't understand how these communities operate," Karen shot back, tapping the table. "It's my job to protect property values, even when it means making tough calls." Judy leaned back. "You believe your actions are justified?" "Absolutely. The law backs me up." "Does it?" Judy asked. Then she slid a folder across the bench. "Let's talk about your HOA's financial reporting." Karen's smile faltered for the first time. I don't see how that's relevant." "It's relevant because you're asking this court to believe you act in your community's best interest. Humor me." If you think this is where Karen starts backing down, keep watching because it gets worse for her fast. Judy opened the folder. "Your landscaping vendor payments route to an account ending in 4712. That account belongs to you personally. Would you like to explain that?" That's a mistake. There must be a mix-up." "A mix-up that's occurred 4 years running. Over $50,000 labeled community improvements paid straight to your own account. What improvements were you making, Mrs. Mitchell? New playgrounds or personal luxuries?" "You're twisting things." "I'm reading your own records. If they're twisted, you're the one who wrote them that way." Karen's face went pale. Judy turned one more page. "Here's the interesting part. An $8,900 transfer labeled maintenance reimbursement hit your account one day after you fined Mrs. Cortez that exact amount. Coincidence?" I don't remember that." "I bet you don't, but the receipts do." She turned to Lillian. "How much have you paid in fines these 3 years?" "Almost $9,000, Your Honor." Judy looked back at Karen. "The exact amount down to the dollar. You took this woman's savings and turned it into a payday, and you laughed while doing it." Karen's voice cracked. "I didn't." "Don't lie to me. You lied to them long enough." The clerk stood and read from the state's notice. "Fraudulent misappropriation of funds exceeding $40,000, assets subject to seizure pending investigation." Karen's hands fell into her lap. "No, that's not—" "It is," Judy said. 5 minutes ago, you were laughing at this court. Now watch everything you built in less time than it took you to build your case against her." She wasn't exaggerating. From the moment Judy opened that folder to the moment the ruling landed, 12 minutes had passed. Denial, anger, pleading, collapse, the same 5 stages compressed in less time than it takes to watch this video. "Mrs. Mitchell," Judy said finally, "the state will seize all assets purchased with misused funds, including the property at 214 Willow Creek Lane." "My house? You can't—" "You didn't own that house, Mrs. Mitchell. You rented it from your victims." The gavel came down. 15 minutes after her first laugh, Karen Mitchell had lost her income, her position, and her home. 6 months later, Willow has a new HOA board that refunded every wrongful fine. Lillian Cortez has her sunflowers back, tall as ever. And there's a small wooden bench in the community park with a brass plaque. Power means nothing if it costs your humanity. Karen Mitchell lives in a rented apartment across town. When a reporter asked if she had any comment, she said nothing. She just kept walking. Judge Judy, when asked about the case later, said only this: "Sometimes justice doesn't need to shout, it just needs to be seen." If you think 15 minutes was too fast or exactly what she deserved, drop a comment below and subscribe, because next week we're back with another Judge Judy takedown that has to be seen to believe.